Hi, I'm Bao Hua. Welcome to this video. Today, I would like to introduce the AC6900 AC power source. This is used for editing and writing non-ideal or some user-defined waveform on software platform functions and operation methods. Here you can see the waveform seen on the power analyzer PA2203. The waveform is output by the AC6900L, the one below. It is a non-ideal sine wave. For example, we can write and call number 131 and the waveform will correspond to that number. For instance, we call waveform number 128 too. Let's take a look at the PA2203A power analyzer. It displays a waveform similar to a square wave. For example, we change the arbitrary waveform number from 1 to 101. Now back to the PA2203A, you can already see that the waveform displays a superposition. Some harmonics waveforms components show relatively large amplitudes. The corresponding waveform can be seen. You can click the Import Waveform button. Now what we need to do here is to import our corresponding waveform through Waveform library. Then we write it to the corresponding ARB number. In this case, the maximum ARB number limit is up to 256. You can fill that number in. But for this demo, I won't be filling that number in because it will take some time. Now I will introduce to you the software functions of harmonic editing. If you want to edit a waveform containing third harmonic components, you can define the amplitude corresponding to the third harmonic, or the corresponding phase degree. For instance, superimposing a phase of 180 degrees, you will see the change in this waveform, or changing it to 90 degrees. You will see that the waveform will change significantly. In the software, the basic harmonics are edited in the waveform. Higher harmonics are not checked. Up to 4 harmonic components can be superimposed. You can see that when this parameter is set, the waveform drastically has become a quasi-square wave shape. In addition to that, if more harmonic components are needed, you can enable this in the settings by increasing the number of harmonic. According to various current standards harmonic order, the standard number is within 19. This software allows support up to 19 harmonic editing. You can also see the waveforms corresponding to the corresponding harmonic components at the preview section. Finally, you can export this waveform to a file. For example, let's save this waveform file as 123445565. After successfully exporting the waveform. If you want to write it to the AC6900 AC source, all we need to do is to import this waveform file. Browse the folder where you save the waveform. The file name is 123445565. This is the waveform that we edited and saved earlier. We need to write the waveform to the specific ARB number on the AC6900. It has a total of 256 waveform files. These waveform files can be erased and rewritten. For example, we write it to 255. After doing that, click Write Waveform. The software will start to write the waveform data into AC6900. On the PA2203, we can see that the waveform changes as it writes import. As the software is importing it, it gradually replaces the corresponding waveform data. The complete waveform is slowly written into AC6900 and is updated. Here you can see that it has been updated to this location. After all the waveform data is written and updated, the waveform is completely written to the AC6900 AC source in the corresponding waveform library. As long as we don't erase it, it is written to its non-volatile memory in system files. Let's turn on off or restart. Let's use the ARB number, 255. In this case, the waveform C of number 255 was just written, and you will see the output. The waveform is now edited. There you have it. This is how you can use the AC6900 harmonic editing and writing functions of the software. Thank you.